the last lesson, we elaborated on poverty as a risk factor for disease and discussed some of the programs available to help those living in poverty. Many other assistance programs exist in addition to those designed to help the impoverished, because you don't have to be poor to need help. This lesson will focus on programs that can help to meet the various needs of young people living in the United States, as well as minorities and migrant workers specifically. Access to health care is a very important resource for people to have. The National Center for Farmworker Health is a not-for-profit organization that is dedicated to improving the health status of migrant workers and their families. It is the mission of this organization to increase the access for farmworker families to culturally appropriate, quality health care. The NCFH works hand-in-hand with the Migrant Health Program, which is a subsidiary of the United States Department of Health and Human Services. The Migrant Health Program provides funds for community health centers where migrant workers can receive culturally competent medical care. While the Migrant Health Program provides funding for the community health centers, the National Center for Farmworker Health provides training, technical assistance, and informational services to these health centers. By working together, these organizations can maximize their beneficial impact within the community. Healthcare does not only pertain to the physical well-being of an individual, but also to mental health. Many organizations focus on this aspect of the health triangle, and many focus on specific populations that studies show are at special risk. For example, research has shown that Hispanic girls tend to rank higher in rates of pregnancy, depression, and suicide than any other racial or ethnic group. For this reason, the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration has collaborated with the Center for Substance Abuse Prevention to develop a bilingual campaign for Hispanic girls aged 9 to 14 years called Soy Ymca, Soy Latina. This program aims to help young Hispanic girls to build their self-esteem, safeguard their mental health, and develop good decision-making and assertiveness skills. The Soy Ymca, Soy Latina website provides campaign materials so the program can be started in any community. Another health advocacy group is the Office of Minority Health. The Office of Minority Health Resource Center has been working to pass the Young Americans Act, or YAA. This legislation would help to provide funds to local communities to make sure that younger people have access to resources for positive development. These resources might include organizations like Big Brothers Big Sisters that promote ongoing relationships between youth and caring adults who can serve as role models. Other resources funded by the Young Americans Act might be those that provide safe places with structured activities during non-school hours. For example, Boys and Girls Clubs and city recreational sports leagues. YAA would also fund those resources that create opportunities for community service and civic participation, such as community centers and church youth groups. The Young Americans Act might also assist nonprofit organizations such as the Ywca Association, which is the only national nonprofit organization devoted solely to the education and leadership development of Latino youth. Ywca takes its name from the Spanish word aspirar, which means to aspire. The mission of this organization is to empower Latino youth so they may become future leaders. Community-based Ywca offices are found in Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Illinois, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., and Puerto Rico. Finally, let's take a look at two well-known organizations, the YMCA and the YWCA. The YMCA stands for the Young Men's Christian Association. The YMCA's mission is to put Christian principles into practice through programs that build a healthy spirit, mind, and body for all. The YWCA stands for the Young Women's Christian Association. This organization is dedicated to eliminating racism, empowering women, and promoting peace, justice, freedom, and dignity for all. Despite their names, both the YMCA and the YWCA are open to all, regardless of faith, gender, or age. Though the two organizations were founded separately and have slightly different missions, Both aim to improve the community by providing resources to its members, such as childcare and youth programs, self-sufficiency and basic education classes, and fitness programs, just to name a few. As you can see, a great number of programs are available to offer help to you and your family and to improve the community. It's not always easy to seek help, but by identifying and joining local community programs, you can improve your health triangle, build a stronger community, and lay the groundwork for a successful life.